Hi everybody, we're back this year with another Beautylish unboxing. This time
Is
it's
it a yearly thing?
It is a yearly thing. That's why they haven't seen me for one whole year. But because we're both short on time, one of them has sorted paper and this one has a class tonight, we're going to keep this quick and easy. And after I film this one, this is the regular bag for her. We're going to unbox the extra large for me. So be on the lookout for that one. And so, okay. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and pull out the beautiful paper and everything.
That's cute. It's like cats.
Well, I think it's supposed to be the dragon. So all that stuff, most of you have already seen all these videos anyway. A lot more extra large unboxings than large. Yeah, they're already right, like tigers. So I'm going to go ahead and pull out one at a time things for her. I've seen a bunch of these unboxings, but she has seen none of them, so she has no idea. She didn't even know she was getting one. I just bought it for her, and so here we go. So I'm going to go ahead and get out the box. She's going to like it. Oh my gosh, I think she's going to like it. I'm so excited. She says she'll share stuff with me that I'd like, and I'll share stuff with her that I know she would like. So last year she gave me the Glam Face Palette by Natasha, Denona, and I use that all the time, and she didn't want it, so it was like a perfect swap. I think I swapped maybe one of my palettes to you. Oh, it's that blue one.
Was it?
The little blue one. She liked the Vizier one. Okay, let's start with this one. I think this one's going to be, what does it say?
Oh, it's retinol treatment serum.
Okay, she may not need the Holifrog retinol serum treatment. So this may be a swap to me because she at this age does not have to worry about retinol, and I probably do. So I'll go ahead and just hold on to this, but this is the Holifrog retinol.
What is retinol?
It's meant for like people who have wrinkles, like to help make them less obvious. It might help with acne. I don't know. We'll have to.
I don't have acne.
Well, there you go. See?
Barely.
You ready?
Yeah.
I think you're gonna remember this company from last year.
Oh yeah, that's one. The blush.
The MOB. Yeah, she got the
it's
mom.
lipstick. It's
I think
lipstick.
it's me.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like it. I can show her how to use this. I actually did a whole review on
You have to
MOB.
like unbox it and
Yeah,
then
you
put it in
have to
there.
put it into that thing, which means that there's going to be the container. Is this MOB? Yeah, this is the container. And I've actually done this before, so off camera I can show her how to do it. But if you guys are interested in how to like put it together, I bought MOB years ago when it first came out. And so if you want to watch that unboxing, I will remember to put the link here so you guys can see how to do it, because it's not hard, it's just it takes a little fiddling. So anyway, so that's a beautiful color.
Yeah.
Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. Very nice. Okay, so those two. It's a good box so far.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait till that one. I think you got something pretty special that I think we're gonna have to share. Okay, this is next. Ooh, this is nice.
Oh, it's Charlotte. Is it Charlotte Tilbury?
It's Charlotte Tilbury. You want to open it up and show them what it is?
If I could.
There you go. So this is Charlotte Tilbury.
Oh, what does it have?
What do you think it's in here? It's gonna look good in your eyes.
Brown.
Maybe. It's gonna be beautiful for our
Oh yeah,
eyes.
I was right. It is.
I actually think I received this last year, or a little bit bigger version of this last year. I have to check, but what do you think?
I like it. A lot of it's highlighting.
Wait, what's the name of this? What is it called?
Easy Eye Palette for
Easy
the
Eye
Charlotte Tilbury.
Actually, this will be beautiful on your eyes. She has like a hazel, like golden color. They're really pretty.
Barely.
Can I put that
Not
back
on
in
this camera.
I'll put that back in here. I'll put it in. So far so good. I have no idea how much any of this cost. I'll look it up later. Right, this is next.
Gentle retinol cream.
Okay. Just what my 15-year-old daughter needs. Gentle retinol cream. Okay. All right, nice. From Good Molecules, by the way. Okay. I'm gonna wait. Okay, I'm gonna give you the big thing first because I think the one that's underneath it is probably more special. I don't know. I think it is. We'll find out. So this is nice.
Denona.
I actually have this one.
I think we have this.
I have this one, but you don't have one.
Oh.
And it's actually really pretty colors. It's the Natasha Denona Love Palette, and I used it a lot last summer.
Oh, it's
and
like a
last
full
spring.
lamb thing.
Yeah, it's really nice.
It's like
here's
a
the
full.
box.
It's like also really cold because
Yeah,
it was outside.
outside.
The snow.
It's been really cold. You can probably tell there's snow behind me and CW.
Oh yeah,
you
I
like
like how
that?
there's
Yeah.
blush and stuff.
I really like mine, and I think this will do my daughter well. So I think she'll be really. I think it'll be pretty with your complexion. So I think the two palettes that we got in here, and the lipstick are a good fit for you. So you have 3 things you can use. The retinol. Retinol's probably not the best fit for her, but that's okay. All right, it has one more thing, and I think this is pretty special because it is a set of.
And it is in a little thingamabob.
What do you think it is?
Brushes.
Yeah, brushes. But there's a set of them, which I think is pretty special. I don't know if these are the extra special ones or if they're just the regular ones. Oh, they're the regular ones, but they're still pretty special because you get a bunch of them. So she'll recognize the handles because I have these, don't I? The handles, the orange ones. So I have the big facial set from a couple years ago. It came in mine in my Beautylish bag a couple years ago, and I use those big handled ones all the time, like on my face to like put the cheek blush on, to like put on the the powder at the end. These are actually really nice. So I probably won't use these because if you had received the special ones, which are by Sonia G, which also came in a package like this. But I'm gonna let you have these, but they're super soft. Do you wanna feel them? You feel this?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And it'll be perfect for your Love palette and your Charlotte Tilbury. Okay. So just to recap, the Eunice brushes, eye brushes, Charlotte Tilbury Easy Eye Palette, Natasha Denona Love Face Palette, the Holifrog Retinol Cream, and oh dear, and then the hold on one second. She's just putting her contact away. All right, Gentle Retinol Cream, and the makeup MOB, which I can't remember what it stands for, but it is both the case and the lipstick. So I'll tally up the amount and I'll put them over here somewhere, and then I'll have some amount, which I'm guessing 70, 50, probably 30 or 40. So we're looking at 140. And then this is probably pretty pricey because it's Holifrog. So I'm gonna guess. I'm guessing this is probably around $200. Let's see how close I was to $200. Because the amount was just there. So. All right, CW, are you excited? Mm-hmm. Okay, good. Well, you'll see her in my next video because she's gonna hand me my surprises. So, okay, all right. It was nice to see you all this year. Maybe I'll come back before next January and do videos again. We'll see. All right, bye.